This versatile, tangy, spicy Asian balsamic marinade is great on chicken, pork, or salmon. Here is how to make these delicious chicken wings. First, pound the ginger, garlic, and serrano in a mortar and pestle until you have a smooth paste. Stir in the balsamic vinegar of Modena, soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, tamarind, sesame oil, gochujang, and brown sugar. Adjust for sweetness with a little more brown sugar if necessary. Put the chicken wings in a large mixing bowl. Add a quarter of the marinade, or just enough to lightly coat the wings, and allow to marinate in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour or overnight. Put the remainder of the marinade in a small pot and bring to a boil. Simmer for about 5 minutes or until the marinade becomes glossy and syrupy. Set this aside. Grill the chicken wings until they are a nice dark color and are cooked through. Toss the wings into the remaining marinade to coat. Add some cilantro and garnish with sesame seeds. Serve these wings as a delicious shared appetizer.